Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and reset your eBay account's password from your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open App Store right over here and search for eBay. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on this application right here, download and install it onto your device and click on open. Once you've done that, simply tap on the My eBay tab, click on the sign in on the top left, and click on use username or email. And once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page where there is going to be a reset your password button right over here, as you can see. So let me just go ahead and try to press it. Something's going on. So it's going to take you to a page where it's going to ask you for your email. Just enter your email that you've associated with your account, and then it's going to send a reset link to that email. Just click on it and then create your new password. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.